Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Well, today I'm making Southern style sweet tea. Alright, so we're gonna need 2 quarts of water, 3/4 cups of sugar, 5 tea bags, and lemon. This is optional. So we're gonna start. I already have here 1 quart. I'm gonna add 1 quart of water. So it's approximately 2 liters or 8 cups of water. First of all, I'm gonna let the water come to a full boil. Okay, on high heat, medium high, and we'll be right back. Okay, so here's our water came to a full boil. I will remove it from the heat. Turn off the heat first. Still boiling. When it stops, it will cool down a little bit. So just take probably 30 seconds. Get my tea bags ready. Okay, here we go. I will leave it like this for at least 8 hours, and then when it cools down completely, we'll add the sugar, and then we'll put it in the fridge overnight, and our sweet tea will be ready tomorrow. Okay, so here we go. Our tea is ready. It's cooled down completely. Now I will remove the tea bags without squeezing them. I'm just gonna remove them like this. Put them away, and I'll pour it in the pitcher. I will put in the fridge. Add the sugar. Oops, here we go. Got stuck in there. This is more. And always use a wooden spoon. Stir really good. Some people boil the tea bag. They boil them in water, and they will have this aftertaste. When you drink the sweet tea, there is like some bitterness in it. I usually don't do that, because if you boil the tea bags, you need to add the baking soda, so to remove the bitterness. But this way, it's just like it has really good flavor, good amount of sugar. If you want to use just half a cup, you can. Ready. Now I put it in the fridge, and we'll have it tomorrow.